from failure, from financial disaster, from broken relationships, from unemployment, from drug addiction, from incarceration, from divorce, from foreclosure, from emotional trauma.
I'm looking forward to this series because I'm expecting a major comeback for connecting with my family.
From costly mistakes, from everything that meant to destroy me, my comeback will be amazing. Everybody experiences setbacks. In our families, in our businesses, in our churches, and of course, personally.
Thank you, Bishop Dixon, for this series because I need a comeback in my life.
But in his new series, Bishop James Dixon will empower and inspire you to make an amazing comeback. Don't settle for your setback. Claim your comeback. Hear this anointed man of God in the month of March at the Community of Faith. My comeback will be amazing. My comeback will be amazing. Another life-changing series by Bishop D.